Benefit 1 is hearts of palm are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, copper, and zinc. These minerals play a crucial role in maintaining optimal health by supporting various bodily functions, such as regulating blood pressure, promoting bone health, and enhancing immune response. By incorporating hearts of palm into your diet, you can help ensure you receive these vital nutrients in natural and delicious form. Benefit 2 is they are a good source of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is important for digestion because it helps maintain a healthy gut by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. And a diet high in fiber can also aid in weight management as it helps you feel fuller for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating and unhealthy snacking. Benefit 3 is hearts of palm are low in calories and carbohydrates. This makes them an excellent addition to a diet focused on weight management or carbohydrate control. Since they are low in calories, hearts of palm can be consumed as part of salads, side dishes, or even main courses to add bulk and texture without significantly increasing your calorie intake. Benefit 4 is they contain beneficial antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as hearts of palm, you can support your body's natural defense system and potentially reduce the risk of these conditions. Benefit 5 is hearts of palm are a plant-based source of protein. Although not a complete protein, they still contribute to daily protein intake, which is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall bodily function. Including plant-based protein sources like hearts of palm in your diet can be particularly beneficial for vegetarians or individuals looking to reduce their consumption of animal proteins. Benefit 6 is they may aid in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. The fiber and other compounds found in hearts of palm can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL. This balance is vital for cardiovascular health, as maintaining optimal cholesterol levels can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke over time. Benefit 7 is hearts of palm support healthy bones and muscles. They contain a good amount of essential minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining strong bones and muscle function. Regular consumption can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis and muscle cramps, supporting overall musculoskeletal health. Benefit 8 is they have potential anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural bodily response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to numerous health issues, including arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. The antioxidants and other beneficial compounds found in hearts of palm may help reduce inflammation, promoting better joint health and overall well-being. Benefit 9 is hearts of palm support a healthy immune system. The variety of vitamins and minerals they contain, including vitamin C, help enhance immune function. A robust immune system is crucial for protecting the body against infections, illnesses, and diseases, thus contributing to better health and longevity. Benefit 10 is they contribute to skin health Nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and copper found in hearts of palm play important roles in collagen production, skin repair, and protection against environmental damage. These effects can help maintain youthful and healthy looking skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and supporting the healing of wounds. Benefit 11 is hearts of palm can improve heart health. Besides their potential to favorably influence cholesterol levels, they offer a combination of nutrients that supports overall cardiovascular health. Potassium, for example, helps regulate blood pressure. While fiber-rich diets are associated with lower risks of heart disease, making hearts of palm a heart-friendly food choice.